but we are also welcoming and of course acknowledging our ambassadors here to the front. All in one by one, please give them a round of applause. Everybody here is playing a role in the growth of Awesome Smile. Even me as a host, and all of you as attendees, being supported and shown love. But these four really are key people really promoting oral health and promoting the brand. First things first, let us all welcome the newest face of Awesome Smile, one and only Bianca De Vera. Of course, up next we have, of course, introductions to that. The one and only, the lovely Mika Salamanca. Of course, we also have we also have Jasmine and finally, we're way back, such a good time here. Nonori Daniel Matsunaga. At this point, we please invite her to the front. Family members are here. We please invite the chief officers and head of Awesome Smile to join here in the front and have a group photo before we proceed to our toast. Once again, we please invite our chief officers and heads to join off here and our ambassadors of the family before we proceed to our toast. There we go. Our heads, our officers, please here. Alright, we have and now we have I think SDs, the president of families, officers, heads. Let's have a group photo taken, please, here in front of our team.
Guys, a bit closer, please. A bit closer, please. Side is ready to clear.
Let's all look directly to the front first before we copy the ones to the left. There we go. Look directly in front. Thank you very much. You have amazing smiles. Please let's all direct our attention to the left and give our members of the press and media a proper chance to catch that perfect smile of yours. And finally, our members here to our right. We have cameras here and videos. Thank you so much. Alright, I think we got it. I think we got the perfect shot. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, it's time to move on to our toast and glasses. Please distribute some of our glasses here to our ambassadors for the block. And look, even there. There we go, everybody. I believe some of you still have your drinks, some of you do not. So okay, we'll do another toast later while we're having dinner. Don't worry about it. Please stop. For everyone here that's on the toast block, raise your glasses, have your photos taken to Awesome Smile Dental Lake grand opening here at the Venice Grand Canal. Congratulations, everyone. Alright,